Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have the 2023 Subaru BRZ, stock from 6532. It's run from the 10th 2021 to the current shape. It has a FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front door guard, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,